In my experience, the leading companies are the ones that put innovation first. The companies with the brightest future are the ones who are agile enough to experiment and find new ways to improve their products and processes. I speak to a lot of people who are doing this right now, and they tell me their biggest challenge is making sure that innovation stays continuous, that they are always looking for new ways to tweak and improve their products and the development process, because that's what is going to make them competitive in the long term. In business, like in evolution, it is not the strongest or the smartest that survive, but the most adaptable, right? So in my mind, flexibility and agility are the underlying condition to make innovation happen. No matter what type of industry you are in, the only way to ensure your organization is moving in the right direction is to make smart, informed decisions when it comes to areas of your business that are critical to success. And to do that, you need three things, in my opinion: consistency, transparency, and accessibility of data. Consistency is so important, especially when you are comparing data from disparate sources. Take a simulation data, for instance. For companies to derive a full value from it, the data must be synchronized with the correct version and configuration of a product, right? Having consistency in those areas eliminates duplication and the chance of costly misalignment and mistakes. Transparency is vital because it helps ensure the right information is available to as many people as necessary. It increases team alignment as they work towards common goals, and it helps identify places where improvements and adjustments are either necessary or potentially helpful. Last but not least is accessibility. When every member of your product development ecosystem has the information they need, and they have it reliably and quickly, it creates a culture of trust and collaboration. And it is in those working environments where innovation thrives. 3DEXPERIENCE Works gives you all this because it has a single product definition at its core. That means anybody in the company, based on their function and access rights, can view, modify, and contribute to one continuous workflow. Everyone who needs it is plugged into a single source of truth in real time. It is the only business innovation portfolio in the marketplace today that is purpose-built for product development, covering you from ideation to production.
With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, everything has changed. 3DEXPERIENCE for us is much more than an engineering tool. Yes, it allows our engineers to work together more efficiently, but also allows other colleagues to be involved in the engineering process, sharing data like never before. 3DEXPERIENCE for us speeds up our product development, which is essential in these days. Time to market is really important. By allowing people to connect to the project much earlier and share data, we can save a lot of money and make less mistakes.
3DEXPERIENCE Works combines SolidWorks' famous ease of use with all the best-in-class applications from ideation to design, simulation, governance, manufacturing, all the way into marketing and sales. With 3DEXPERIENCE Works, transformation will happen without disruption. This is very important. It can help business leaders minimize risk and reduce any resistance to change they may experience internally.